I was recently in St. Martin with my family for vacation, and I made a really interesting observation about the way watch companies sell their watches, and I noticed it's virtually the same way that attorneys market their services. You want to know what this is all about? Come join me as I share with you this really cool observation. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now I'm on vacation. There's a place in Phillipsburg that has tons and tons of jewelry stores. And now, most of these watch companies advertise their watches the same exact way as attorneys do. And how is that? Well, think about it. Every watch tells time, right? Some watches tell time better than others. Now, what's amazing is that a lot of these mechanical watches that are very expensive and very beautiful, they don't tell time as accurately as the quartz watches. So how then can jewelry companies and watch companies go ahead and actually market those watches? So think about it this way. Watch companies sell watches, right? All the watches do one thing, they tell time. Obviously some are nicer and some are prettier, some are more expensive than others. But now think about attorneys and how they market their services. Every single attorney in every single specialty typically does the same type of law. So if every attorney does the same type of law, how is one different than the other? So now they're going to focus on the differences. And here's something remarkable. Did you know that most of these watch companies never, ever talk about how accurate their watches are? You want to know why? Because they can't. They can't guarantee the accuracy of their watches, especially mechanical watches or automatic watches. Quartz watches have a better accuracy, but still, none of these companies ever talk about the accuracy of their watches in keeping time. The same exact thing is true for attorneys. Not a single attorney can ever guarantee a particular result. So, if you're searching for an attorney to help you in your car accident case, or in your medical malpractice case, or in your wrongful death case, how then can you determine which attorney is right for you? Because if nobody can guarantee the precise time, and if no attorney can guarantee a precise result, how do you know which watch is right for you? How do you know which attorney is right for you? And it all comes down to this one key thing. How does the attorney make you feel? Same thing when you're looking at watches. You put the watch on, how does the watch feel? How does it make you feel? Just a quick, interesting observation while I was on vacation with my family in St. Martin. I thought I'd share it with you, and I thought you'd appreciate this really cool observation between the way watch companies sell their watches and the way attorneys market their services. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. And by the way, today I'm wearing a quartz watch. It's a beautiful watch with a leather strap and something that I love. I did not get this one in St. Martin. Anyway, you can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. I'm Gerry Oginski. Thanks so much for watching.